Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is ChristyRocksXO, and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys a DIY 4th of July wreath. This is very last minute. I wasn't going to make this video, but I decided, you know what, let me just go ahead and share this. So here's all of the things that I will be using. I'll be using this deco mesh here. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I'll be using these little picks here. These I got at Hobby Lobby as well. So I have red, blue, and white. Then here I have this huge, what looks like a firework. I got this again at Hobby Lobby. And I also have these here that I got at Hobby Lobby. So I have a couple of these. And then here are the ribbons that I'm going to be using. So here I have a red one. I got this at the 99-cent store. This one is blue, 99-cent store. And then here I have this stars in blue and red. And I got this at the 99-cent store. They have a lot of cute things at the 99-cent store. Now these here I got at Joann's. So these are really pretty. You can tell the difference in the quality. But kind of not. I don't know. You tell me. So these ones are from Joann's. This one here is from Joann's as well. It's just burlap with blue and red. And oh, and then I have this sign here that I'll be using. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it says Happy 4th of July. And then I have these here, these stars that I got at the 99-cent store. So here's everything that I'll be using. Okay, so here's my wreath form. I got this wreath form at Joann's, and it is a 24-inch wreath form. Alright, so let's go ahead and start putting on our deco mesh. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep it extremely basic when it comes to this wreath. I don't really want to do a bunch of hoopla. So if you watch any of my other wreath videos, it's basically the same concept, just different material. If you want like a super in-depth on how I'm like doing this, I would say look back at my very first wreath video, which I think is a fall wreath video. So here it is. I just tied that down here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna puff it out. I don't know if I'm gonna measure my puffs. I think I am. I think I'm gonna go ahead and I'm probably gonna do about 13. Yeah, I'm gonna do 13. So I'm gonna measure them out to 13 inches each puff, top and bottom. So I've already finished the top row. As you can see here, I have my zip ties on the top 2 wires and the bottom 2 wires. So I've now finished the top, and now I'm going to move on to these wires down here. So I'm pretty much measuring out about 13 inches. Now I'm kind of eyeballing it. I'm not even measuring it anymore. But I started off with the 13-inch. So here's the wreath with all the deco mesh. I've already finished that. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move on to putting in my ribbon. Now I showed you at the beginning of this video all the ribbon that I'll be using. I don't know if I'm going to be putting every ribbon in each tie. I'm probably going to skip over because I don't have many of this color, of both of these colors and some others. So I'm just gonna put them in however. So let's just go. Ribbons, nothing is fluffed out as far as the ribbons go. I also added this piece here. You can see I added this piece here. It says Happy 4th of July. So I added that there. And what I did with the ribbons is I went ahead and I put ribbons in every other zip tie because I didn't think I was going to have enough ribbon. But turns out I have some left over. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and fill in like the sparse areas and just use up all of this ribbon. I decided to put this here in the middle, and then I'm probably going to put this probably coming down. I know firecrackers go up in the air, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it looks cuter this way. It's much more whimsical when it's like, if it's going down, you know, firework just out of control, kind of went haywire, you know. So I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna have it going down. Alright, so I went ahead and I added ribbon wherever I thought needed it. I might go back and add a couple more pieces of ribbon, but for now I'm gonna leave it like this. And I also went ahead and attached my firework. So here I so far just have the Happy 4th of July here on this side, and then I went ahead and put the firework here. I super glued it, and I also tied it down with a zip tie just for extra security. That way it doesn't pop off because it's kind of windy here. So I wanted to stay on. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put these however and wherever, because like I said, I want it to look like a firework just exploded everywhere. So here, as you can see, these were like this. They were all together, but I went ahead and it's basically like tissue paper that's holding them around. All I did was pull them apart and they came undone easily like that. So that's what I did, and now I have 6 of these to use instead of one bunch of 3. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do is, now that they're all separated, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to sporadically put these anywhere in this wreath because I want it to look like a firework exploded. And so also these are pliable, so it's like a wire. So all I'm doing is I'm literally sticking this onto the wreath form, giving it a twist and a turn, and it stays on its own. See, it doesn't move. It's on there nice and tight. I just like to go ahead and open these little fireworks up just like that. Isn't that so cute? Let me show you. So all I did was open these up a little bit, and now all I'm going to do is continue to put these all throughout the wreath. It's going to look so cute. I already really like the way it looks. Here's the final product. I hope that you enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys a different shot of it once it's on my door, but this is it. I hope that you enjoyed watching this. This is a very basic tutorial. No, not even a tutorial, you guys. I'm gonna keep it real. This is basically like a decorate with me, you know, kind of like follow along. It's not really like explaining too much, like going into depth. I want to keep this video nice and short. So if you're really looking for something that's in depth, go ahead and watch my fall tutorial, my fall wreath tutorial. If you enjoyed this, please comment, rate, and subscribe. It means so much to me. And until next time, you guys, XO till I overdose. Bye.